Welcome to Wiggle Sticks TV. Well, it's another day, another track day, early morning start. Off to Broadford today, packed up in the trailer. Should be pretty fun all day. Yeah, bit of an early start, but not staying down there or anything overnight, just it'll be good. So I'll see you maybe on the way or maybe just straight at Broadford. Wow, it's not turning out to be the best day today. It's raining, so that's terrible. So yeah, I've just called it a day. None of the other boys are riding either, but it would have been a good day to ride because there's no one else here. So we pretty much would have had the track to ourselves, but yeah, I don't really feel like riding in the rain today. But there's a few people. Are you gonna ride? Good, how are you? Wets, that's the way to go. So there's a few people here, but yeah, normally these sheds would be packed, but obviously the weather's preventing people from coming. You gonna go out?
Not at this rate.
No, me either. Little R3, and then big boys' toys. Panigale down the back. So very nice. How's it going? She's not the day to go cruising around the track today. Temperature's all right though. Must be 19 degrees or something today, but yeah, it's pretty wet. Pretty wet and slippery. Are you gonna go out?
Are
you gonna go out?
Slicks. I want to go
there. No. Yeah, true.
The trouble is, it was going to be too dry for wets, so
yeah.
There's something in the middle, I think. So.
Yes.
Unless it totally dries out.
No.
I'll be going to the pub.
Yeah, it's a good plan, I think.
Yeah. Mine's got that too.
So we're all set up, but fortunately not today. But it's all right though. Next time we come out, we'll have flat sides on. 6. So we're into a little 250 club, 2 strokes. Cool numbers.
Did you make the exhaust for this Lindsay? Or?
No, that's one of Chaddy's barley specials.
Really?
That I had a pair of them on the LC which I bought off Charlton, Luke's dad.
Yeah.
And I bought some Giblomus ones and I had them at home. And I thought,
The boys are starting to pack up over there, and yeah, I think that'll pretty much call it for today. So yeah, see you in the next one.